Hi, my name is Stefano Caposecco, Director of Product Marketing at Westinghouse Lighting. Today we'll be talking about pendants. You don't need any special tools to do the installation. If you have a cordless drill with a Phillips bit, it makes the job easier. This pendant has an outside black insulation and color-coded wires inside. This makes it really easy to identify which one is your black, your white, and your green wire, which is your ground wire. First thing you want to do is determine how low should the pendant hang, and based on that, you want to shorten the wire accordingly. Undo the set screw, slide the wire to the correct length, tighten the set screw, shorten the wire on the above side of the canopy. Shorten the black insulation. We do that by scoring it, but being careful not to nick the inside wires or insulation. When I cut it lengthwise, easiest thing to do is make sure there's something that, in case you slip, doesn't cut your cutting surface. Now you have the individual wires separated. Cut them and strip them. And there you have it. With the mounting screws mounted on the mounting bar, we want to install the mounting bar to the junction box. This pendant has two ground wires, a bare copper and a green copper, and we want to attach them to the house copper or ground wire. Then we want to attach the white or the neutral wire, it's white to white, and finally the black wires together, which is your load. Next, we're going to tuck the wires into the junction box and raise the canopy over the mounting screws and secure it with the cap nuts. Next, we want to install the light bulb. In this case, we're using Westinghouse filament LED amber finish. We turn the power on. There you have it.